Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable auto mount of new drives in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click Mount MGR. Right-click, New DWORD 32-bit value. Type No Auto Mount. Change value to 1. Click OK and exit Registry Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.